More breaking news coming in. Mufti Nasir has said that the case of a fashion show being held in Gulmarg is deeply condemnable. Kashmir has always been a land of Sufis where such activities were never allowed. Granting permission to govern does not mean endorsing such actions. He also says if immediate action is not taken, people will be forced to take to the streets in protests. Let me cut across to Zina to get further details on the kind of responses that have been coming in so far. And we also understand, Zeenat, while a section looks at it as progress and development in Kashmir, but take us through the details of these kind of political reactions that have come in.
See the political reactions that we are coming in, and we are seeing, apart from the political reaction, we are also seeing the religious heads coming openly, and they are completely showing their outrage towards the kind of show that was displayed on Friday in Gulmarg ski resort. Now we are seeing a statement coming in from the Mufti Nasir, who is the Grand Mufti of J&K, and he is already terming it as a cultural invasion which will not be tolerated. The people have given mandate to the government to rule, but that doesn't mean that they will spread vulgarity which cannot be tolerated. This has been stated by Mufti Nasir. He also said if the action is not taken, then they are compelling people to come and hit the streets. There will be a law and order issue that will be erupted, because Kashmir being the land of Sufi saints and sons, this vulgarity cannot be tolerated. He has also raised the issue, questions about the permission that was granted to this brand to carry or to conduct this kind of fashion show in Gulmarg. Where was the authority? Who was responsible for giving the permission for this kind of show? These are the questions that have been raised by the Grand Mufti of Jammu and Kashmir. Apart from that, we are also seeing the opposition targeting the government, saying again that who has given the permission, when the Umar himself in the assembly had said that government has nothing to do with it. It's a private party who has organized it, but they are looking into it, and they has also already ordered a probe, and the investigation will be completed within 24 hours.
All right, Zeenat, we also have the response of Mufti Nasir. Let's listen in to what he said.
जो कुछ गुलमर्ग में हुआ वो शर्मसार वाक़ा है, और हमारी गर्दनें झुक गई हैं उस वाक़े की वजह से। हमारे जज्बात मजरूह हुए हैं, और हमारे अक़दार पे हम ये डाका समझते हैं। ये हमारे अक़दार का कभी हिस्सा नहीं रहा है। जो ज़मीन सूफिया, अतकिया और अवलिया की रही है, और उस ज़मीन पे इस तरीके का काम किया जाना वो नाकाबिल कबूल है। बल्कि हम ये समझते हैं कि इस काम की वजह से ये हमारे जज्बात ही मजरूह नहीं हुए हैं, बल्कि आने वाले मुस्तक़बिल का इसका असर पड़ेगा।